Watching a massive ship enter the water is not just satisfying, it is breathtaking. Concrete tinting has never looked so mesmerizing, transforming plain surfaces into works of art. This tool cuts through bricks effortlessly, as if slicing into a block of soft butter. Do sewing machines stand a chance against the raw power of the shredder? The answer is absolutely not. Have you ever wondered how fire extinguishers are carefully filled and prepared for use? This machine takes bent pipes and straightens them with flawless precision and incredible ease. Even this massive sofa was no match for the destructive force of the shredder. Automatic duck feeders not only make farming easier, but they are also irresistibly adorable to watch. Watch drones in action as they fly above dangerous areas and put out fires from the sky. Driving on sand always has its drawbacks, and this demonstration proves exactly why. This old car looks like it's simply begging for retirement after years of service. Watch as this machine masterfully packs enormous piles of wood into neat and manageable stacks. See spray foam expand rapidly, creating unbeatable thermal insulation that locks in energy. Watch as this machine carefully creates intricate and stunning bracelet designs with precision. This enormous cable uncoils gracefully, almost like Rapunzel's endless hair cascading down. This machine brings goat feeding and spotting to a whole new level of convenience. Watch as this blacksmith skillfully forges an axe right before your eyes with strength and precision. Create your own corrugated pipe with this powerful and efficient machine. A woman throws fish food as dozens of fish eagerly swim inside a floating boat container. Nothing gets in the way of raw rock pressure when machines like this are involved. Discover how plastic polymer pellets are carefully manufactured for countless industrial uses. Get perfectly round and uniform dough every time with the help of this machine. High-pressure water cleaning blasts away dirt and makes everything look brand new again. This machine sucks up and grinds legumes effortlessly, saving both time and effort. Nothing compares to the durability of a handmade walk-behind tool crafted by skilled hands.